Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open-source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai, according to Avax Gas Tracker. With their increasing popularity and users flocking to these low-cost blockchains, their respective ecosystem has also exploded in numbers. Users can check out popular Solana ecosystem apps like Serum and Radium for DeFi applications. For Avalanche ecosystem apps, protocols like Trader Joe and Pangolin are popular among DeFi users. Terra's vibrant ecosystem are also highly popular among lunatics, with Anchor Protocol and Mirror Protocol the most popular. Why are your transaction fees costing so much? One of the major reasons why transactions cost so much usually boils down to the following. You're trying to transfer tokens, you're invoking a smart contract. Unfortunately, any transaction that involves executing a smart contract and/or sending ERC20 or any of the variety of NFT token standards will cost significantly more than conducting a simple ETH transfer. This is due to the fact that smart contract executions are far more taxing on the network than moving ETH between accounts. Contrary to popular belief, the size of the transfer, in ETH terms, has no impact on the cost of the transaction. Only the amount of computational work required for the transaction has an impact. As a result, more taxing transactions simply cost more. But there is a way to minimize costs even when performing resource-heavy transactions. Evil bulls would need to flip to support to show that the market has shifted to a bullish bias. At 74 cents lay a long-term support level that has been tested for demand over the past month. The price did see a bounce and post a lower high, as already mentioned, at $1.23. However, this bounce was relatively weak, and early March saw an even weaker bounce to graze 81 cents before dropping. Since repeated tests of a level weakened it, it was likely that LRC would be headed further south in search of liquidity in the weeks to come. The RSI has formed an exaggerated bullish divergence in the past couple of weeks. This type of divergence is a weak one, and is unlikely to change the overall trend. It could see LRC bounce towards $0.9. The DMI showed a strong bearish trend in progress with both the DAI, red, and the ADX, yellow, above 20. The OBV has been declining in recent weeks as well. It pales in comparison to the volume of November, but it did highlight that steady reduction in fees when transferring tokens, or slightly less of a reduction when transferring ETH. Using other 1 Lira blockchains, one of the best performing sectors of 2021 was so-called Ethereum killers, or competing layer 1 blockchains that promises ultra-low transaction fees and fast throughput compared to Ethereum. The most popular blockchains, termed Solunavax, has exploded in popularity and market cap. It grew from a combined market cap of around $681 million at the start of 2021 to $94.5 billion now, a staggering 138x increase in over a year. Average transactions on Solana cost around $0.00025, while transferring on Avalanche costs even lesser, around $0.00004 according to Avax Gas Tracker. With their increasing popularity and users flocking to these low-cost blockchains, their respective ecosystem has also exploded in numbers. Users can check out popular Solana ecosystem apps like Serum and Radium for DeFi applications. For Avalanche ecosystem apps, protocols like Trader Joe and Pangolin are popular among DeFi users. Terra's vibrant ecosystem are also highly popular among lunatics, with Anchor Protocol and Mirror Protocol the most popular. Why are your transaction fees costing so much? Using other 1 Lira blockchains, one of the best performing sectors of 2021 was so-called Ethereum killers, or competing layer 1A as a fair price for gas. Use a layer 2 solution. Ethereum's high gas prices have been a regularly recurring problem since 2017. This has spawned a wide array of layer 2 solutions, which aim to offload some of its transaction volume to a separate network, before finalizing the results of these transactions on the Ethereum main chain. These can vary considerably in their form and function, but many of the more popular solutions have been sufficiently battle-tested, and can result in significant gas cost savings for users. Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism are currently the most popular universal layer 2 solutions for 43 cents. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore the LRC could be as high as $16.79 by 2029, with significant cooperation from financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $14.53 for 2029, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2029. LRC Rate Prediction 2030. LRC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Loopring rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2030, the Loopring rate will be almost $21.22. The maximum bet we can get is $24.85. Loopring average price prediction for the end of 2030 could be around $21.95. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.